Bilis!
Mark Beats. Mark Beats.
Batang pasaway.
Every time I see you, get a feeling like I'm so high. Tell me, am I dreaming? How the hell you looking so fly?
Hey guys, what's up? It's Vince. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss any of the updates. So for this week's video, we'll do an unboxing and review of the new Apple iPhone 11. Yes. So disclaimer, I am no professional in techie as much as other people do, but I am just doing a review out of my personal opinion. Yes! Alright, so let's start. Without further ado, so these are Apple iPhone 11. So of course, the new Apple iPhone. So it comes with the manual, and of course, the ever famous Apple sticker, and the charger, and the cable, earphones. So don't expect that you'll be getting AirPods. Not happening. As for the design and display, if you're using an iPhone XR like I do, there is no much difference as for the external look except for the camera. And actually earlier we already tried setting up the iPhone. It's pretty similar with iPhone XR. So if you're asking me if you want to upgrade to iPhone 11 from XR, honestly, I'm not gonna upgrade. But for example, if you're using iPhone 8, iPhone 7 Plus, 7 the before, it's worth upgrading, guys. But how about XS or iPhone 10? I don't think so. I think iPhone 10 and 10 is they're still updated. But if you're into vlogging like me or selfies, photography, it's worth upgrading, guys. Why? The main upgrade of iPhone 11 compared to iPhone XR, 10XS Max, 10, iPhone 10, and previous iPhones is the camera. This iPhone 11 has the so-called ultra-wide angle lens. And I will show you why. So here, if you go to the camera, so here is the normal angle. If you, I'm not sure if you're seeing it, but if you push this 1x here, it will trigger the ultra wide angle lens. Boom! See the difference? So yun. Then press it again to go back to the normal angle lens. There you go. It can also be used in taking videos. So switch to video. Now press 1x. Boom. There you go. See the difference, guys? So if you're a person who loves photography and video editing or vlogging like me, this one is a great upgrade, I swear. So if you're using an iPhone XR, they have the same display. The screen is 6.1-inch LCD display. iPhone 11 boasts with 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. The front-facing camera is 12 megapixel, while iPhone XR 12 megapixel normal angle lens. iPhone XR's front-facing camera is only 7 megapixels. And for the processor and hardware, iPhone XR uses A12 chip, while iPhone 11 uses A13 chip. I don't even know what that means. As for the price, iPhone XR is only $599 US, while iPhone 11 $699 US. Okay guys, let's go to the verdict and conclusion. So, in my own opinion, if you're using iPhone XR, I'm not gonna upgrade. But if you're using an iPhone 8 and prior models, it's worth upgrading. And if you're a person who loves photography, selfies, video editing, vlogging, like me, you can upgrade And if you're willing to shell out another $100, why not get the latest one, like iPhone 11, right? So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and please subscribe to this channel. Also, please follow me on Instagram. It's at Vinz Leonardo. Like the Vinz Vlog Facebook page. And again, thanks for watching. See you next week, guys. Bye-bye.
Batang pasaway